Suzanne, the study coach from Inspired to Study. So today I'm just going to give you 5 important tips to help you study effectively. Most students want to rush to the stage where they're writing the essay, reading something. No, I want you to step back from that and think about you. How do you feel? You can't study effectively if you do not feel well. So the key things to feeling well: sleep. You've got to make sure you get enough sleep in order that your brain can work effectively the following day. If you're tired, you're not going to produce your best work. 2, eat. You have to make sure that you have a good diet. If you're just eating junk food and loads of carbohydrates, that's not going to be effective to make you concentrate and study on your work. So make sure that you get 3 meals a day and that you eat healthy food. You can have the occasional splurge on something really bad, but don't make that your main diet, especially during revision periods. You need to be eating healthy food, plenty of fruit and veg. 3, you want to make sure that you relax. I know people are going to say that's really difficult, but the best way to relax is to do some exercise. At least 3 times a week. So go to the gym, go for a walk, get out, get some fresh air. If you exercise, you'll be much more effective in the way that you think and organise your thoughts. And then finally, 4th, I want you to relax. Because if you're relaxed, you'll be able to think more creatively. How do you relax? Well, make sure that you take time to have with your friends and your family and not do any studying. I know this sounds really weird, but that's really important. If you take time out and relax and spend time where you're just winding down, is going to make you much more effective when you come back to your study. You cannot study the whole time. The 5th tip is that once you're ready, because you have slept, you've eaten well, you're relaxed, you've exercised, you're going to be so ready to work effectively. When you read those books, the information will be retained, you'll evaluate the information much better, and you'll write much better essays. So, take my tip: sleep, eat, relax, exercise, and you will be far more effective.